Hello, welcome to Foodie Louie Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious French toast. Our ingredients are 4 slices of brioche bread, 1 egg, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. In a bowl, add the egg and heavy whipping cream and mix it thoroughly. This is where we will dip the bread. On a medium heat, pour the cooking oil and spread it all over on a non-stick square griddle that can fit 4 slices of bread. You can use any frying pan in your kitchen you like, as long as they have a flat surface. And next is spread the butter all over the pan. Dip each slice of bread for a couple of seconds into the mixture and flip it. Make sure you don't over dip the bread so they won't look saggy when they are cooked. Now we can fry one bread at a time. In a couple of minutes, check if your French toasts are cooked and flip them to cook the other side. Now our French toasts are ready. Let's plate them. Woo, they look sumptuous. I suggest you use the maple syrup as it is healthy and delicious compared to a syrup that has an ingredient of corn syrup. Eat smarter, live smarter, guys. Toppings are optional. I have red berries in the fridge, and you can also use powdered sugar. Here's our finished product. If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you, Foodie.